Foxy the fox with her fiery flair, Huey the horse with his wild mane of hair, Gina the giraffe reaching up to the sky, Froggy Senior croaks with a twinkle in his eye. They leap, they laugh, they're a circus of dreams, from the tallest giraffe to the froggy extremes. You'll giggle, you'll gasp, you'll shout encore. Foxy and friends will leave you wanting more. It's the Foxy and Friends show, don't you know? Where hoof meets hop and high meets low. Foxy and Friends come steal the show. Don't blink, don't miss the magic glow.
I gotta get up. It's hard to get up out of bed in a tent sometimes, but there's something to do. Oh, hi everybody. I'm Foxy the Fox. And today me and my best friend Gina are gonna go camping outside. You like my tent? It looks so beautiful. And it's orange just like me. I can't wait to start roasting marshmallows with Gina the giraffe. Hey Foxy, your marshmallows are ready. Coming, Gina. Come on. Oh, hey, Gina the giraffe.
Hi, Foxy. We're roasting some marshmallows today, right by our campfire. Here, would you like some marshmallows, Foxy?
Oh, please do.
Okay. Here is your marshmallow. Now let's start roasting some marshmallows over the campfire. Those marshmallows are delicious.
I know, right? I can't wait to eat them.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
What was that? I don't know.
Go to bed.
Maybe it's a ghost.
A ghost? There's no such thing as ghosts, Gina.
But it was there.
Go to bed.
Gina?
Sorry, Foxy. I'm afraid that ghost is telling us that we're going to go to bed.
He did?
Why don't we try getting rid of him?
Alright. Hey, ghost. Can you please leave? We're trying to set up a campfire here.
Go to bed.
Foxy, I don't think it's working.
I know, why? What are we supposed to do?
I don't know, but I think I'm getting freaked out right now.
Uh-oh.
I think we should get out of here before everything goes haunted.
Go to bed. Go to
I
bed.
think we should get out of here.
Go to bed. It's time for you to go to bed.
Hurry, Gina! Right inside my tent! Hurry!
Okay. Foxy, I think the ghost is gone.
Alright, we can set up a campfire again.
Alright. Man, that was super scary. I hope the ghost went home.
Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Still here.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
Sorry, Mr. Ghost. Me and Foxy are not home.
Go to bed. Go to bed. It's time for you to go to bed.
The bone likes cone. The bone calls cone on the telephone.
There's a chef in the alley. She's up to no good, mixing up a recipe misunderstood. She grabs a noodle, a pinch of bologna, and there it is, the infamous turdurooni. It jiggles and wiggles, it's slightly obscene, the weirdest dish you've ever seen. Turdurooni, oh what a sight, looks like trouble but tastes just right. looks like, well,